What do our memories look like? To be honest, I thought this trip was ruined by the weather. But I couldn't stop thinking about that deep yellow hue in the rain. So I started my memory restoration project. Let's start.
Hoi An is a place with a 17th century trading port remains frozen in time. Walking along these yellow walls, the line between past and present blurs. Beyond the crowds, I brought out the quiet Hoi An I want to remember. Wow, it's so fast! You must try this in Hoi An, a performance set to the iconic beats of Gangnam Style. Spinning around, I forgot the rain. The water drops looked like jewels. At night, the real festival begins. The smell of street food fills the air. These vibrant lanterns, they really looked like a dream to me. Now I'll show you the most magical night from deep within my memories. At this moment where dreams and reality merge, Hoi An speaks to me. I hope my wish becomes one of those stars and reaches someone. My restoration project doesn't stop. See you next in the clouds.